Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got a little bit of a Chanel unboxing for you today. Just a couple of small things that I picked up before the world went out of control and we were all locked down in our homes. So without further ado, let's get started. The first piece that I'm going to unbox is actually in this bag. I actually picked up both of these from Neiman Marcus. One from Chicago and another one was sent to me from Florida, but I purchased it through my SA Isabel, who works at the Neiman Marcus in San Antonio. Shout out to her. She's always been awesome at getting me pieces that I'm interested in. So let's see about opening this up. So this first piece is something that I got from Chicago, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this was actually from the 2020 cruise collection. And as you can see, it is a card holder in lambskin in that purple color that was the cruise collection purple. So it's got a little bit more of the pinkish undertone to it. And I don't think, here's the authenticity card, as you can see, from the 29 series. Has the main pocket here, two slip pockets here, and a third, and this is in the silver hardware. The second piece is the one that is from the spring summer collection, and this one Isabel was able to locate for me in Florida. Ooh, little gummy stuff there. Care instructions. Another SLG bag. And this one is a card holder. This came with all the tags, which is kind of nice. And this one has the champagne gold hardware. And this is the spring 2020 purple, as you can see. Let's see if I can get this. So as you can see, this is from the spring summer. This is the card holder, and it's the newer version with the slip pocket in the back. When you open it up, it has a pocket up here and another pocket in here, and this piece, as you can see, was made in France. And I have the cards here. So this is the spring 2020 card holder. Now, as you can see, there is a distinct difference in the shades of purple. This card holder, the wallet style, is more the card case is more of a blue tone purple. This has a little bit more pinkish undertone to it, and not quite sure if you can tell that this bottom one is the champagne gold and this is the silver. This is in caviar and this is in lambskin. Both beautiful pieces, and I'm very excited to add them to my collection. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like, and I would love it if you hit that subscribe button to be notified of any future videos that I post. Thanks again. Hope you're staying well and safe. Bye.